Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a peach bourbon smash. Now this is for those bourbon lovers. I haven't made a bourbon cocktail in a while, it was time. As always, I'm going to leave the recipe in the description for you. Alright, without further ado, let's go! Alright, so for this cocktail we're going to need peach schnapps, cinnamon syrup, bitters, small bottle of bourbon, I'm using Maker's Mark, fresh peach slices, and fresh lemon juice. Alright, I'm going to divide the peaches into a mixing glass. I already peeled them and cut it. Next, I'm going to add 2 dashes of bitters, half ounce of cinnamon syrup, next I'm going to muddle them. Now I'm going to add ice, half ounce of peach schnapps, three-quarters of an ounce of fresh lemon juice, and we're ready to shake it. Now I'm going to crack ice into a glass. I'm going to strain it. And I'm just gonna put this small bottle upside down here. And we're ready to garnish. Alright, let's give it a try. Oh, this is so good. I can definitely taste some of the bourbon and some of the peach flavor. It's not too strong and also it's not too sweet. I think it's perfectly balanced. You definitely need to give this one a try. I'll give it 9.5 out of 10. And that's how you make the bourbon peach smash. Alright, if you guys like the video, give me some thumbs up. And if you want to learn how to make more cocktails like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Also hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And as always, until the next one, cheers!